Hello friends, and today we're going to continue doing this shape, and I know that I said that we already finished with it, but we forgot couple little things. Like this one, like all these little imprintings, and let's fastly do that. I already have these things done in Inkscape, so I will just upload them. Like import, like SVG, and here we go. And I will select millimeters. Yeah, so they will be normal size. I will do Ctrl 2 just to make all of them the nice rotation size. Okay, and let's start imprinting them. Let's start with this guy. Let's do it like that, and let's create, I think we need this, and just create 3 of them. And let's press V again, yeah, to apply it, not right click. Yeah, and yes, let me just drop it right over here, Shift C, and make it like that, Shift C, boom. Okay, yeah, here we go, and join it. We can also make it a little bit like this, very flat. It won't give us a lot of problems. Okay, something like this. Let me just make a copy here because we will need it over here. And this one I will rotate a little bit like that. Yeah, a little bit like this. Yeah, that's good. Nice. So let's imprint it. Or no, let's put it a little bit lower over here and just rotate it a little bit. Good. Like this. Good. Shift I, press and wait until this thing is finished, and then right click. Good. Okay, I don't need this, but I need this guy definitely over here. Yeah, let's drop them together like this. Rotate him on a 90 degree like that, and take him over here. Just drop it like that, make it a little bit lower, but I hope it will look beautiful. Good. This one should be a little bit longer, but I think like this. Yeah, like this. And this guy smaller and lower. Shift I, and let's imprint it. Wait here until the magic circle is done. Right click, boom. Here we go. Yeah, and this is outset extrusion. A little bit of extrusion here. Just a little bit of extrusion. Why not? Let's drop it here. Let's put it like that. Maybe a little bit. And let's do Shift I. Imprint it and extrude it inside. Can I adjust it a little bit? I want to match this thing here and here. Something like this, bigger, and just rotate it a little bit. Okay, I know how to fix it, I guess. Let's just delete this part, make it like this. Make the lines a bit wider. Yep. And create something like this over here. It also look nice. Good. Let's try it again. Just select, oh, let's move this thing here. Shift I, boom, good. Now it should work. Yes. If your shape is too complicated or intersects a lot, just try to avoid it. Like this. Okay. Shift I, drop it here and extrude it. Good. Yeah, I think we can have it from both sides. Why not? Alt X. This thing, I think, yeah, I will delete it. Alt X. And let's do the text over here. Shift D. Make it a curve. Extrude it over here. F. Unwrap. Good. And let's do the text. Here we go. And let's write something. Space mono. Yeah. Select all of that text. Make it smaller. I'm sorry to be in the type of guy that don't hides anything in the viewport. But yeah, it's just live making of beautiful things. So sometimes you don't need to hide nothing. Yeah, I can just take the text, I can press F, deform, select this, and then select this. Okay. Let's try it. Okay, offset this guy somewhere here. And minus 0, 1. F, deform this and this, mirror. Let me see through. Yes, perfect. And I will just offset it over here and 0, 1 with the minus. Good. That's how we do it. Shift I, boom, imprint it. Nice. Imprint it. Good. Okay, now I can proudly select all these curves and delete them because I don't need them. Move it inside. And okay. And let's do it like this. Take the edge, do the Shift D. Let me just make this thing. F, unwrap face, text, but it sounds super cool. Yeah, let's take this. And now let's do the F, the deform, select this, and then this. And move it lower, like this. This one can be 1, I think, it's not a big deal. But this one, yeah, this one also can be 1. Yep. Okay, let's do the 0, 0, 1. Yeah. This is my thing. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Just a bit. And again. Yeah, like this. Good. Let's do the anotropic here. So, Shift I, select it, wait until it finishes. and right click. I'm sorry for that if you didn't saw nothing concretic here, but I think you saw. And then set it. Looks very cool. I like it. I like it. Let's hide this SVGs. Yeah, and actually, you know what we can also add? Like a little small last detail, these two parts. Let's just drop them here. So one will be this, and the second one will be here. Let's drop it like that. How does it look? Yeah, this one is just a boolean, and this one is not the boolean. Yeah, this is boolean, but combining. Good. So we do pipe, not so big pipe, just a small pipe. Yeah, let's do it like this. Good. And this pipe, change the bool type and make it like this. And I believe it should be a different body, like B. Okay. And now I will select and do Q, but keep tools. Good. So yeah, I have this and this. And now I can also select these things and do just a little bit of bevel here. Yeah, so yeah, basically here it is. Super cool thing. Anti-symmetry, we don't have text here, but we have it here. That's cool. Anti-symmetry is rules. Good. Let's look on it in the render view. And we will also look on it in the cycles, but a little bit later. Okay. Here we have it. Nice, cool shape. I hope you done something much better. Have a good day, model something cool every day, and stay a good person. And I see you in the next one. Bye!